Are you seeing the icm32 Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for icm32 Library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the icm32 Library, the Image Color Management Library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of ICC color profile manifests. It facilitates the visual data link between image files and monitor and printer output to ensure color accuracy. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft Redistributable. Since icm32 Library DLL belongs to the Windows System Core, manual replacement is not recommended. Instead, run sfc/scannow from an elevated command prompt to scan for corruption and restore your system's protected components. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the icm32 library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for icm32 Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing icm32 Library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve icm32 Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.